Today I will share about my perspective of AI, current AI, and how you guys can leverage today AI to stay relevant and outperform. So my name is Ngoc. I'm the founder CEO of Putonwix, and Putonwix is a company we providing AI solution for enterprise. I'm so founder of VidAI. How many of you guys heard about VidAI? Yeah, VidAI is a network connecting AI expert from Silicon Valley and Stanford University to Vietnam. So I'm Google Developer expert in machine learning, the first one from Vietnam. And my hobby is teaching AI, so I train so many students to learn AI. And this is my company. It's my company. We set up a research lab in Vietnam to do some research on AI, training some models, and provide some AI solution for enterprise in Vietnam. So this is my research team. So I'm very proud of my team. And so this one is one of our solution, and we take so much time to build this solution. Like in Vietnam, we had some kind in the law firm. So we build some AI solution for reading some very complex table in some documents, learn the connection in law, and train some chatbot to the client. But the topic today, so I will answer the question: will artificial intelligence take our jobs away? So yes or no? How many you guys here think yes? Raise your hand. Everyone thinks no. Yes. Okay. So from my experience, I have 12 years of coding and 8 years of training AI models. I will give you my view. So this is a very interesting email from the CEO of Fever. So I can read for you. So he said about the AI, and he said that it does not matter if you are programmer, designer, product manager, data scientist, lawyer, customer support, salesperson, or finance person, AI is coming for you. You must understand that what was once considered easy task will no longer exist. What were considered hard tasks will be the new easy. And what was considered impossible task will be the new hard. So if you do not become an exceptional talent at what you do, a master, you will face the need of a career change in a matter of months. Yeah. So this letter amazed me. And Mark Zuckerberg also do that. He said that AI will replace programmer in 2025. But right now, 2026, you can see that I still need to code. If you see my screen over there, I still need to code and still need to type. I still need to train model, right? So it's not quite true, right? So I think AI evolved, and we also evolve. Okay. So I think we.
Can you bring the micro into your mouth?
Okay. Yes.
This one. No, this one.
Okay. So what the current stage is artificial intelligence current in? So maybe you know AI can solve the most complex coding challenge. They done it already. And they also achieved gold medals in mathematical Olympiad. So I don't think I can get a medal in mathematics Olympiad, but AI, they done it. But AI is smart, but it still needs a prompt. But where is the prompt? The prompt from us, right? Yeah. you can see that about some, I think video is the most challenging task in the AI training model. So we can check the ability of AI in 2025. You can yeah. So you need only one prompt and it will generate for you a video like that. But when in 2026, it look like this, more chaos. From the image, they can create a video fighting like in some China movies. Okay. How many of you guys here is applying for a job? You can raise your hand. You guys still have a job. Yeah. So where AI? We still have a job, right? AI can help us to building some CVs. Like you can see that a long time I haven't created my CV, but this CV I create for by myself. That I just need prompt, time my job, edit something, and AI will do the rest for me, like the header, the title, everything, even the color of the text. I just need a prompt. Okay. Yep. And this is very interesting case. In COVID-19, we built a platform for Learn AI, and the lab image is the our system, the before system. After we using AI, they help us to refactor the whole code base to make it more beautiful, easy to use. Yeah. And recently, we adapt a tool like Google Stitch. Google Stitch is a tool to help you to generate the UI. Like it will generate HTML for you. You don't need to use Figma or something like that. You just need a prompt. You prompt, and it will generate something like this. And you download the HTML, or even it can generate the Android UI or iOS UI for you. Yeah. And even you want to clone a website, you just need to capture the screen of that website, and you upload to the Stitch, and it will help you to generate the same website. Very useful. But I think the most important trend we need to catch up is LLM's agents. How many of you guys here using agent? Yeah. So what agent you guys are using? Claude? Claude Code? Yes. Other cloud, what tool we have? Someone can, sorry? Claw? OpenClaw, okay, yeah. So what is agents? Like, agents is, if you want to build agent, you give some tools to the LLMs. So LLMs cannot open the website, cannot using browser or something like that. You provide some tools like this to the LLMs and give ability to do something like that. And we have agent. And a very interesting case is Manus AI. So if we want to find a house in Hanoi or New York, we just need to prompt. So we can see that this is a step the agent do. Like it can search all the internet, even it can connect to some broker to ask about the price, ask about the place, or something like that, and give you result. So I think this is the most successful case in AI agent, Manus AI. You can see that the report about the house and price in New York, and even stock analysis.
For vision analysis to stars. For professional data, data access supported data sorted for yachts.
Yeah.
After validating required data, NS begins writing calls for data now.
So in 2021 and 2022, what AI we have? The AI we have at that time is a tap AI. You tap, and we get new code, right? Very simple at that time. Tap. Yeah. Actually, it's a language model, but at that time, this is the AI. 2025. So you can see that this is my experiment. I let the cloud code go into my computer and let it explore my computer, create file, edit file, even run a server. You can see that. So you will see that I run cloud code and cloud run over the file and edit file and do anything. Sorry, you Vietnamese. So you can see that it can create file or edit file and run the server. Sợ chưa? This is in Vietnamese. You scared that? But in 2026, the chance is bigger. Like you can ask Cloud Code. Cloud Code is an agent. You can ask Cloud Code to explore the whole project. I used to use Cloud Code to check the repo on GitHub. Sometimes I want to check the security of the repo, like whether it call external API or run some dangerous command. I want to check all of them, so I use Cloud Code. So let's look at the design of the agent. So I think this is common design of every agent right now. You will design a look like this. For example, if I want to check the security of my repo, I enter a prompt, so the agent will gather the context, like it will search some files, that file, and check that file will call some external API, it will take action. After the check some file, it gives a result. And if the result miss our expectation, it will break the loop. But if not, it will do again. And it's the loop. So this is basic architecture of the agent. Right. So when you run some cloud code, you can see it process some step 1, step 3 to step 10, and it fail, it do again. But it need to gather another context to do better, right? But another trend, I think, more important, like sub-agent. Sub-agent is a design that, like, they will build some agent good at something, like marketing agent, code review agent, debugger agent, or something like that, and they organize like a team, like a company. So like when you building some feature, you need to design UI, you need to do to build some spec, you need to write the code, you run the test, you need to deliver it to some tester or something like that, and they organize like the team. So I think this is the latest trend in the agent. Have you guys seen this picture? What technology you in your mind when you see the picture, that picture? So many mini-mart in the data center. What is it? OpenClaw, right? OpenClaw. Yeah. So many guys, they bought a lot of mini-mart and set up a data center to run OpenClaw. Yeah. So what OpenClaw? So OpenClaw is the agent and run in your computer. Like I demo cloud agent before. So it seems like you give everything to the agent. Let it decide anything, do anything it wants. Okay. Open clock. So how many guys you try open clock? Yeah, one. Okay. Here you want to set up a meeting, schedule a meeting. You just need a prompt. Yeah, set up for me a meeting at specific time, and we create a meeting on Google Calendar. Yeah. So I finished the stage of a current AI. So how should we adapt? How should we evolve? So I always use three things. I need to master AI tool. I learn every AI tools from the coding, videos, music, every tools I have a chance to use. I use everything. So I think we need to learn to use AI as an assistant in our work experiment with generative AI, automation platform, and industry-specific AI tools. So humans are controlling AI. So I think communication skill is very important. So like I have AI, you have AI. We communicate with each other to control two AIs, or maybe let them work together. So communication skill is very important. And the last one is learning. Yeah. So I think we need to learn every single day. Long life learning. I think everyone here knows Jensen Huang, and I like this quote: "You are not going to lose your job to an AI, but you are going to lose your job to someone who uses AI." Okay, and I think everyone here is AI, so we not going to lose our job, right? And this is my framework I designed for myself, for my view of the engineer. So I usually use AI to strengthen my knowledge, to learn new things, to explore new things, to build my strong foundation knowledge. After I have strong foundation knowledge, I will create some better prompt. Yeah, like when I first time learn programming, I have no AI. I need to read the document. I need to write the code by myself. But that helped me to have a strong foundation in coding. So right now, as senior engineer, I can write very effective prompt, and I can adjust AI for my purpose. Yeah. So this one is very important. When you have strong foundation knowledge, you can describe the problem and ask clear, focused question. And when you ask clear, focused question, you will receive deeper and more accurate answer from AI, helping you learn faster and reinforce your knowledge. So this is my framework to keep me stay away from FOMO, something FOMO out there, the fear of missing, right? This is very interesting. So we need to learn how to prompt, right? And I checked the website of OpenAI Academy about prompt engineering, and I noticed the note here. If you don't want to prompt, you ask ChatGPT to help you write a prompt. It's funny, right? Yeah, we need to learn to write a good prompt. But ChatGPT, OpenAI recommend us to use ChatGPT. So, and the last one, I think current my job is I need to work with a lot of data, a lot of numbers. So I take some class like data analysis, no coding, just number, just how to visualize the data, how to analyze the data. And from the data, from analysis, I can give some decision. Like my current task is I need to prepare a lot of contract about the negotiation, how to set a price, how to deal with a customer or something like that. And my skill from some class very important. Like I can use number and deal with my customer. So yeah, this is thing I'm learning every single day. Okay. So I think this is how my my view today, and this is I think the most important slide, the framework I use to adapt AI and stay relevant and outperform in IT industry. So thank you. Okay.